On May 21st, 2025, a routine seatbelt stop turns into a felony case when the driver takes off after officers initiate contact.
Hello, do you have your license?
No, ma'am, my house is right up the road.
Do you have your registration, proof of insurance?
No, ma'am, I don't have it. This is my mom's car. She just gave it to me. Move my stuff from my apartment to her house.
Alrighty, let me get your name and date of birth. Alrighty, what's your first name?
Maya.
Can you spell that for me?
M-A-Y-A.
M-A-Y-A.
My last name.
N-G.
N-E.
N-E. And your date of birth?
4.
Alrighty, so the reason we pulled you over is we didn't see a seatbelt whenever we passed by you.
Okay.
And so that's the reason for this pullover, but we're going to go over your information and we'll be right back with you, alright?
Okay.
So do you have a license, yes or no?
No, ma'am, I don't have anything on me. I'm literally just moving down the road, moving my stuff.
Alright, y'all can hop out of the vehicle.
I'm not getting out the fucking vehicle.
Bravo, okay. The vehicle just fled from us on the 1050.
Officers disengage from pursuit due to safety concerns, but within minutes they locate the suspect at her mother's residence.
She just walked up. Saw that door. Get out. What's going on?
Hello?
We need Maya to step outside, please.
I don't know where
She just ran from us on a traffic stop.
Oh my God! I don't know where she went to.
She's just inside. I just saw her walk inside.
That was Mia.
No, there's 2 of them.
Wait, hold on. Where's Maya?
She's found her window right here.
Her mom. Maya, hands on your back.
Really? Because they pulled me over for not wearing a seatbelt. Yeah, well, I had my seatbelt on, so they pulled me over for no fucking reason. You see, I'm fucking moving my shit. All y'all bitches searching my fucking house. Don't be looking around my fucking shit. Don't be looking around my fucking shit. Y'all like I got a search warrant for this. You don't. You can't look through none of my shit. That's my shit on my fucking property. I paid a property tax on that. Can't go through my shit. Get my shit out the back of that truck right fucking now. I'm a bitch.
Don't you kick me. Don't you kick me, ma'am.
They're trying to get my shit in the back of the truck. That's why, because y'all can't search my shit. That's on my property. You don't have a search warrant. Don't have a search warrant. You don't have a search warrant. And y'all pulled me over for no fucking reason.
Well,
Talking about I
my
didn't have a
deputy.
seatbelt. Talking about I didn't have a seatbelt. Y'all had that
Just a
on.
little bit, okay? Just a hair. Yes, ma'am. 25 feet. Halo law.
No, you a bitch. You don't know shit about no fucking law. You don't know a fucking thing about no fucking law. Swear you know shit about the fucking law.
If y'all want to get anything off the bed of the truck, go ahead and do it now. That's going to be towed.
You can't tow my fucking car.
You used it for fleeing to elude. We're towing
You
it.
didn't tow my car. You didn't tow my fucking car, and I didn't flee it in the loop. You pulled me
drove
over
off
for
from the
no
traffic stop,
seatbelt.
right?
You're a bald head with nothing. Nothing in your fucking life. They got 3 fucking officers out in this bitch talking about I was fleeing and eluding. Get my glasses. Hey, somebody come get my glasses.
Do you want them to go to jail with you?
Because they just broke my glasses.
Do you want them to go to jail with you?
They get my glasses. Hand it to them.
I've got them right.
Hand them my glasses.
They're right here in my
Hand them
hand.
my glasses. Y'all see I've been moving all day ass, bro. Gotta do all this stuff carrying me when I could have won.
Not when you're gonna kick us.
I didn't even kick you, bitch. That's the crazy part.
Yeah.
I pushed you off of me. Talking about a kick.
All right, stand up. All right, get him.
Oh, I don't know. What am I gonna do? Hop in that?
Exactly. Have a seat.
How am I having a seat in here?
Have a seat.
I can barely pull my stuff up. Talking about having a seat.
Okay. Let's go in.
It was used in a crime. She drove off from a lawful traffic stop. It was used in a crime. We are towing it.
That's what I'm saying. They talking about throwing the truck into more stuff. Hold on, let me get my stuff off the back of the truck.
Go ahead. I already told you to. You were worried about filming us or getting your stuff off? Because as soon as the tow truck gets here, it's done.
I gotta make sure this gets
That's okay. It's all recorded on all of our body cameras.
Yeah, I bet it is.
That could go to jail with her.
Like, this is freaking insane, bro.
You know how to get my
She drove off from a lawful traffic stop. I don't know what to tell you.
But it's not even her vehicle.
But still, she used it.
Look at this mess, man.
Again, ma'am, if you would like to get the stuff off the truck so it doesn't go with the tow truck, I would do it now. As soon as the tow truck gets here, nobody's taking anything off the truck.
I want to be TikTok famous with this one.
Stay with your car.
Yeah, please start getting I'm finna get the stuff.
Excuse me, ma'am, do you know where the keys of the vehicle are?
I have no idea.
Okay.
She had the keys. I have no idea what she did with the keys.
You want to push this shit on?
I remember being letting get all
More
her
money
stuff
for
off
us
there.
to pay out, but we don't.
Did she kick you? I thought I saw.
Yeah, she like kicked me and she tried to like trick me, so we just took it straight down.
He's going to sign the tow receipt, then we'll give you all the tow
When
receipt.
when am I able to get this back, and how long is this going to take?
We're not putting a hold on it, so you'll be able to get it back, I would assume, maybe tomorrow.
Okay. Here's your tow sheet receipt.
And then once she has, give her a couple of hours, she'll have a bond, and you'd have to call the jail to pick out what the bond is, because I don't even want to begin to tell you what it is and be completely
I
wrong.
ain't seen anything. Wait, let me see.
But if she'd have just stayed at the traffic stop, she might have got a warning, may have gotten a ticket
Yeah,
for a seatbelt.
I know. I'm still trying to wrap my brain around
Me too.
why the hell she ran.
Yeah, because she's got a valid driver's license. She has no warrants. I don't know. I have no idea. But she turned maybe a simple citation into a felony.
Exactly.
A visible seatbelt violation gives officers reasonable suspicion to initiate a lawful stop. Once emergency lights activate, the driver is legally required to remain. Driving away converts a citation into the felony of fleeing or eluding, which requires proof she willfully failed to stop after a clear signal from law enforcement. That threshold was met the moment she accelerated away. Upon contact at the residence, officers had probable cause for arrest based on the completed fleeing offense. Resisting arrest requires intentionally obstructing officers during a lawful arrest. Battery on an officer requires intentional physical contact against an officer performing lawful duties. 2 separate contacts support 2 counts. As for the vehicle, instrumentalities used in a crime may be lawfully towed without a warrant under community caretaking and evidentiary authority. Her warrant argument fails because the seizure flowed from probable cause tied to the felony. She was charged with fleeing, resisting arrest, and 2 counts of battery on an officer. The law escalated because her conduct escalated. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.